Mukesh Ambani's plans for importing LNG, which is priced higher than any other gas in the country, may have suffered a major setback. The oil minister or other ministry has spiked the Reliance BP JV's plans of a tie-up with a state-owned entity for importing natural gas. Nisha Poddar joins us now with exclusive details on that. Nisha.
That's right, Aisha. What I'm picking up from my sources is that RIL BP JV for gas marketing tie-up in India, they had approached Petronet LNG for picking up a stake in their newly upcoming terminal, that is the LNG import terminal in Gangavaram port, which is going to have a capacity of about 5 million tons. And what I gather from my sources is that Oil Ministry has directed Petronet LNG to not go ahead with any sort of a tie-up or joining hands with RIL BP. Now, this is yet another setback for RIL as far as oil and gas space is concerned in India, because remember, they wanted to sell their RGTIL, which is personally held Mukesh Ambani's gas pipeline business, and they wanted to get at least 10,000 crores of valuation from it. A lot of PSUs, including GAIL and Oil, were also interested in that particular asset, but then Oil Ministry had asked them not to go ahead with anything to do with RIL's assets. And this time again, RIL is facing a setback because it wants to have an asset-light model to kickstart its gas marketing JV in India. Remember, this is part of the big deal that RIL had struck with British Petroleum earlier. And as part of this particular deal, British Petroleum will be importing LNG from overseas operations of British Petroleum and will be importing it through other terminals and then marketing it in India. They wanted an asset-light model because they do not want to spend on the infrastructure, but if they do not get support from the companies like Petronet LNG or other such infrastructure-based companies for setting up this kind of an infrastructure, then they'll have to spend a lot of money and the gestation period is going to be very, very high. So we'll still wait and see how RIL BP's JV, which is India Gas Solutions, how it can kickstart its operations as far as gas marketing is concerned.
RIL BP is in talks with some other firms, including Shell, like Nisha pointed out. Thanks for that report, Nisha Poddar, breaking that story right here